Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can change your private Instagram account into public. So without wasting time, let's start video. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So let's start video. Firstly, open the Play Store and here write Instagram and make sure that your Instagram should be updated. After that, open it and here you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then you will see setting option. Click on it and here you will see privacy option. Click on it and you can see my account is private. If I want to turn it public, then I will click on it and then switch to public. Click on it. So in this way you can change your private Instagram account into public Instagram account. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.